How to add photos to Amazon Photos. In order to add your photos as backup in Amazon Photos, first open up the app. And as you guys know, here Amazon provides its customers with 5 GB of free photo and video storage. Now, if you want to back up your photos or save your photos, you first then open the like this. And once you launch your application, you just need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you're going to have to go ahead and tap on next. And if you want to autosave all of your photos and videos from your device, you can turn this one on. But if you want to select photos, just tap on select photos and you can handpick your photos and videos that you want to back up on Amazon Photos. So here for now, I'm going to select a few photos that I want to back up right here. And then what you're going to do next is tap on the upload icon at the top right. And once you have done that, you will be able to upload those photos as backups. Now, if you want to upload it automatically from device, you can tap on the first one right here, or if you want to manually upload it, you can do that too. And that's how you add photos to Amazon Photos. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.